Welcome to day 5 of 50 skills in 50 days challenge. Become an SEO specialist with a free training, free job opportunity, and a free website. This is the 5 simple steps to your SEO career plan. Step 1, choose your training. Step 2, complete and certify. Step 3, build your portfolio. Step 4, start applying for job strategically. Step 5, keep learning. Step 6, join 50 skills in 50 days challenge community. Start your SEO specialist journey today. Remember, all training is 100% free. A free certification, a free job website to land your jobs after the training. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the practice of making your website more visible on search engine like Google. When people search for something, SEO websites appear at the top of search results. Instead of your page to be on page 2, page 3, page 4, it will appear in page 1. That means your website is ranking higher, and that is the work of SEO specialists. Why is this skills matter in 2026? Most people only click results from the first page, and reason is because they have good SEO specialists that help them boost their websites. Good SEO equals to more visitors equals to more opportunity, and more opportunity equals to more money. Why should you choose SEO specialist in 2026? It is high demand skills. Every business needs SEO to be found online. This creates endless jobs opportunity for specialists. What you will learn as an SEO specialist: number 1, keyword research. Find what people are searching for in search engine. Number 2, content optimization. You help individuals or you help yourself rank higher. Make your content Google friendly. Number 3, technical SEO. Improve website speed and structures. Number 4, link building. Build credibility and authority as an SEO specialist.
Here are 50 side hustles you can start in 2026.
You want to learn a digital skills, you don't have money, this video is for you.
No capital required, free training, free certifications, and free job websites where you can land your job after the training and getting your certifications. It is for people that wants to scale up but don't have money to learn it. You are going to learn 1 skills per day, 1 certifications per day, and job websites where you can land your jobs per day. This is why most people failed in learning skills and getting a job, is because they are looking for get rich schemes. This video is not a get rich schemes video. It's a training video where you learn the skills, get certifications, and search for job, hunt for job on websites where you can land your remote jobs. Here are the list of jobs you are going to learn in the next 50 days, because it's going to be 1 skills per day, 1 certifications per day, and 1 job website per day. If you don't want to miss out on any of those jobs, do well to click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification so you don't miss out on the next job, and like this video. Do well to share with a friend to learn the skills and get certified. If day 1 of this skills is not for you, day 20 can be for you, day 30 can be for you, in fact day 49 can be for you. So do well to smash on that subscribe button again if you haven't smashed. Like this video. Let me know the skills you want to learn in the comment section. Without further ado, let's move on to my screen.
These are the websites where you learn a free training with a free certification to start your SEO specialist career for free. Number 1 is SEMrush Academy. Go to your Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Type semrush.com/academy, and this is the interface of the website. Why you should learn SEO? Who are these courses for? Acquired skills. Make sure you understand it. Then click on enroll. This course will give you free certifications after the training. After you click on enroll, you have 6 courses to learn from. You have technical SEO, you have SEO toolkit crash course, SEO essential with SEMrush, you have content marketing essential for SEO and AI search. You have all of this, and you can click on more to see more courses on SEO. You can see all of this. After this course, you are going to get a free certification. Then click on any of this international SEO. Click on this, and if you haven't signed up before, come to sign up button down here. Input your email address, input your password, and click on create. That will send you a verification code. Input the verification, then move on to the next part where you need to fill in your details, your name, and other things. I wish you best of luck. Let's move on to the next one. Number 2 is HubSpot Academy. Open your browser and type academy.hubspot.com, and this is the interface of the website. These are the free courses. Sign up for free courses, and after the courses you are going to get the certifications. You want to go for SEO, just click on this. This is a certification course. You can see it here, SEO training, free certification course. Come down here and sign up with your email address. Then when you click on this verify email. It will take you to an interface where you need to verify your email. OTP will be sent to your email. Then click on that verify your email address. Then move on to the next step where you need to fill your personal details and start your course. This course is only 4 hours. I wish you best of luck. Let's move on to the next one. Number 3, e-marketing institute. Open your browser and type e-marketinginstitute.org, and this is the interface. They are trying to tell you that e-marketing institute is migrating their student account to digitalmarketingcertificates.com. So you see this website is not yet valid, but this is e-marketing, and read the instructions. You can only view their courses. You cannot register as at the time I am recording this video. But immediately you register, they will send you an email that will enable you to migrate to their new website. This is e-commerce course and certification for free. No, we are not looking for e-commerce course right now. We are looking for, this is blogging course, this is affiliate marketing course, and these courses are free with a certification. So we are here for SEO, right? This is, everything is 100% free. 156 pages ebook, free courses and certifications. Difficult level is beginner. So this is SEO certification course. So when you click on this, where you will register for the course, as I said earlier, you have to wait till they send you an email to their new website. Read the instruction. Exam temporarily unavailable. So make sure you registered and wait for their new website. I've mentioned the website earlier in this video, so I wish you the very best. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and let's move on to the next one. Number 4, Great Learning Academy. Go to your browser and type mygreatlearning.com. This is the interface of the website. So when you get to this website, come to more and click on free courses. Then scroll down to look for digital marketing. Click on digital marketing. Then scroll down and find SEO for beginners. Click on it to view courses. This training is 100% free. SEO for beginners, free SEO course with certificate. So this is the certificate you will get after completing this course, and this course is just for 1 hour 5 minutes. I wish you the very best. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend. You can also click here to see the full courses. Then come here to sign up, put in your email address, click on continue. Then after that, they will take you to an interface where you have to verify your email address. After the verification, move on to where you fill in your personal details. After the personal details, move on to where you start your course and get your certificate in 1 hour 5 minutes. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend. Drop your opinion, drop your honest comments in the comment section, and let's move on to the next one. Number 5, Yoast SEO Academy. Open your browser and type yoast.com. This is the interface of the browser. Scroll down and look for Yoast SEO Academy. Click on it. Then come here. This is the premium package of your training, and this is the free basic learning. Go to Yoast SEO Academy. Click on it. Then it will bring you right here. Come here, put in your email address, your password, repeat email. Click on verify I am human, agree to terms and conditions, then create. Then it will take you to an interface that would allow you to verify your email address. Then moving on to where you will sign up with your personal details. After the personal details, moving on to where you start your course, and after the course you will get the free certifications. And if you do not get certifications, at least you will get the skills you needed. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend. The only way you can help this channel grow by saying thank you is to share this video with a friend, like it, and let's move on to the next one where you learn another skills. Number 6, Skill Wahala. Open your browser and type Skill Wahala. Come down here and click on explore free courses. These are the free courses from AI tools, digital marketing, animation, web development, content writing, others. So just come here, scroll down and look for SEO masteries. This is what you are learning, SEO mastery. This one will teach you how to master SEO in 2 months. It's a 2-month course. There are so many courses you can learn here for free. So just click on view course, and this is it. It is free SEO online course and training with certifications, 100% certification. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then you are missing out on a real deal. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow is another day to learn new skills, new certifications, and to hunt for jobs. So do it right now. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You can enroll live class and you can enroll on recorded courses. Anyone that is suitable for you, just do it. The duration for this course is 5 weeks. Live classes is 12+ hours. Certificates included, and apply online. You can download the curriculum here, and this is the courses from module to module to module. module. So each module has sub-module, which is this. There's case study, there's projects you do, there's quiz. This is full courses on how to become a SEO specialist. So if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe now. Like this video, share with a friend. You can also get to contact them for career support. I wish you the very, very best. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button. Drop your comments below. If you want me to find a free courses for you, drop the course you want to learn in the comment section, then I will do that for you. I wish you the very, very best. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's move on to the next one, which is the job part, where you need to land your jobs. Websites to land your SEO jobs. These are the top websites to find your SEO opportunity. Don't neglect it. Number 1, LinkedIn. You heard me right. Go to linkedin.com/jobs. In my other videos, I will show you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn strategically, and if that is what you want in next, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 2, Indeed.com. Number 3, Upwork.com. Number 4, Flexjob.com. Number 5, ZipRecruiters.com. Number 6, Glassdoor.com. Number 7, WorkingNomads.com. This is your simple action plan to SEO specialist career. Step 1, choose your training. Pick 1 or 2 courses from the website I mentioned. Step 2, complete your training and get certification. Step 3, build your portfolio, create profile, document your journey. Step 4, apply everything you learn strategically. Start applying for entry-level jobs, SEOs position, freelance jobs. Start applying. As you are learning, start applying for jobs. Step 5, keep learning. Never stop learning. Keep evolving. Stay updated with industry trends. Step 6, join a like-minded community that are doing the same thing you are doing. This will encourage you to do more. This will encourage you to have where you report to, where you run to when you're facing challenges in your ends. Make sure you join the 50 skills in 50 days community. Check the link in my bio, check the link in the description box, or check the link in the comment section. I'll put it right there in the comment section. I am sure you don't want to miss it. Tomorrow's skills will be content writing, and I'm sure you don't want to miss it. You want to be a content writer? Make sure you subscribe now, like this video, share with a friend, and turn on your notification bell for tomorrow class. It is content writing specialist. I am sure you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.